What's up, guys? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source and the information source for everything and anything regarding the stock market, the financial world, and more specifically NSAV. Today, guys, we got a special video on NSAV where I'm going to be discussing why we've seen such a sudden drop in the stock price, which has dropped over 30% in only the past previous week of trading. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything on a YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says open an app, go to app. I want you guys to press on that. It'll take you directly to the YouTube app on your device. It'll take you out of this weird template that you're on, whether you're in Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it'll make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So now that you have done that, do that. Thank you. Now that you've done that, let's get this video on NSAV and what is going on regarding NSAV. Why is the stock so down, and can NSAV recover? Start. Now guys, the majority of this red week that we saw happen actually on Tuesday, when the stock fell about 23% after a NetSavings link announced that they were going to partner up with a leading crypto exchange, bw.com, to launch bitcoinwhale.co. Now I'm going to read from this article which breaks down and explains what is happening regarding bitcoinwhale.co and bw.com, NetSavings link. And then after that, I'm going to explain to you guys what I believe is going on regarding NetSavings link and why people are kind of just selling off and etc. And also, I'm going to explain where I believe NetSavings link will be headed in the upcoming months and years ahead. But guys, before we get started, just a quick update that we have now added 5 more spots to our discounted version of our Trade Alert program. Now, for those that don't know what the Trade Alert program entails, it's basically my trade alerts and what I believe is going to happen to stocks with a tight price target. Now, on these trade alerts, guys, there is a 10% profits guaranteed monthly. That means at the end of the month, the stock picks that I have, if they're not up at least 10%, then everybody gets a refund. Does that sound good, or does that sound good? Now, it's important to point out, guys, these trades, the 10% is guaranteed, but it's not what I'm aiming for. And I'm aiming for upwards of 20 to 50% per trade I make. Okay, so I'm not making 2% here, 2% here, 5% here, 3% here. Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm making big trades, but however, sometimes some stocks fall short and some other stocks pick it up. That's why we have that 10% profits guarantee, just to make sure everyone can make back their money with as little as $200. Because what's 10% of $200? $20. There we go. Now the regular version of this Trade Alert program costs $30. So if you guys missed the $20 version and those 5 new spots added fill up, make sure you guys check out the $30 version, because that one also comes with 10% guaranteed. Now on top of that, guys, we also do a monthly lottery for $200, 1 out of 20 chances. So make sure you guys get that. Now the stock picks as well, guys, the Trade Alerts, these are actually large cap stocks, large to mid-sized cap stocks, and they're not actually penny stocks that I'm trading. So that's something for you guys to be aware of as well. I'm trading stocks such as Palantir, Neo, Clover Health, AMC, BBIG, right? Companies with around $1 to $100 billion market cap. Okay, so nothing super small like NetSavings link or HCMC or some of the most stocks that I talk about on this channel, and I cover their news. But guys, let's get reading. And so the link to sign up, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys where to find it. The link to sign up is in the comment section. Press on the comments. It is the first comment, which is my comment. Press on that link and you'll be good to go. So let's read what actually happened. So it says, this article reads, it has also struck up a key partnership in recent times in order to grow its business, and yesterday the company announced that it had gone into partnership with BW Cryptocurrency Exchange. The company noted that the two entities are going to collaborate on a bunch of data. Company Bitcoin Whale, which will be responsible for tracking Bitcoin storage and metric information at a global scale. It goes without saying that it is an ambitious project and one that could have considerable uses in the industry. However, the news did not come as a source of optimism for investors, and the NetSavings link stock actually suffered from a pretty drastic sell-off yesterday. So, and then it goes on saying the stock sold off 23% and etc. So we already know about that, right? Now, personally, I believe what is actually happening here is people are worried. People are worried regarding NSAV is going to be a company that makes a lot of promises, and it's a company that is aiming to be a lot, which might end up becoming nothing, right? Because what people are kind of focused on and what people want Net Savings Link to do that right now is to not expand so wide and instead go narrow and deep into one project and maybe make some specific revenue and make a lot of revenue from that, right? Now, that is simply one of the reasons why the stock fell. Now, the next reason why the stock fell, which I believe is directly correlated to why the stock fell, is simply because, guys, this is a crypto exchange company. This is a crypto company. And what happened to crypto this week? Crypto took a hard hit, right? Crypto went from almost all-time highs to back to almost the 53K level, right? Which I did predict. Can't lie, I did predict that, okay? So tap on shoulder to me, right? But however, that's what happened. And the thing is, my next prediction is that Bitcoin's going to sit around that 50, 58 to 53 level, and then it's going to have a blast off to space, okay? Because personally, I believe the year 2022 is going to be very, very beneficial for Bitcoin, okay? Which directly means it's going to be a very good year for Net Savings Link, right? Now, however, like I said previously, right, we want Net Savings Link to kind of focus and go narrow-minded a little bit instead of being so wide and being so new project, new collaboration, new project, new collaboration, right, guys? And I'm actually planning on having the Net Savings Link CEO on this channel soon, because I asked for a 7 to 10 minute interview, which I was happily granted. So hopefully we can schedule that for sometimes near mid-January or so, right? Because I mean, this guy's a CEO, right, guys? He's pretty busy. He doesn't just have time to kind of get on the call with me and etc., right? So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and hit the comment section and ask and drop some questions that you guys want me to ask the Net Savings Link CEO, right? Or representative. I don't know who I'll be talking to, honestly, but they said yes to my interview, right? And I can only ask a couple questions, so I want to know what questions I need to ask. So with that being said, guys, make sure you guys do that. And also, listen, one more thing that's important to discuss regarding these companies, right, is that this is a small company, okay? Net Savings Link only has a market cap of 233 million. So a 23% drop isn't really that crazy, right? Because it has such small market cap that basically a couple of super rich people selling their stock would cause the stock to crash, right? So it's important to also remember that this is an OTC stock market, making it super volatile, right? I mean, if you think 30% red is bad, just change to the 6-month chart, right? When in doubt, zoom out, okay? And then you see that the stock is up 239% in the previous 6 months. So personally, in the long term, I am bullish on Net Savings Link. So with that being said, I want to hear from you guys once again, and I want to know what you guys think and where you guys believe the stock is headed. And also don't forget, drop your questions, link in the comments. With that being said, guys, happy investing, have a nice day, money talk.